No. Exercise 1.4. The question is write the numbers using the commas according to the international system of numeration. That is, he gave question 9764531 first one. Second one 2004841. Third one 476356. Fourth one 949002684. It is a question. Before going to these sums, you are having two Indian and international. So in Indian, ones, we will take ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. In international, ones, tens same, hundreds same, thousand same, 10,000 same. Here 100,000 it will come. Here million, 10 million. Here 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay, this is Indian system of counting. This is international. Now see this sum. When we are doing it, 9764531. Here it will come. Okay, it's asking for the commas. Here 2004841. 3 3. Here 476356. Finish. Here 949002684. 3 3 3. Understood? Now see the third question. This one we have to write in Indian form and international form. So first we will write in Indian form. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So we will write as, now see, Indian form. 12 crore 31 lakhs 15,000 27. Okay. No, this only international form. It will be changing here. It is okay. Here it is changing. So it will come here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. No, it is in international form. No, see here. 1 2 3 100 and 23 million. 123 million 115,000 1 and 1027. Okay, now next one. Indian system. That's 100,000, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 8 crores, 8 crore, 96 lakh, 43, 43,000, 92. Now international form. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now here 89 million million 643,000 and 1092. Okay. Now fourth question. See, 30. Okay, no. It is in international method. The digit at million place. Oh, see, the digit at million place. 2. The digit 100 place. The digits at 100 place is 4. 10 million. 0. How many millions are there? 302. Okay.